Hey everyone, welcome to another Pokemon Productions unboxing. I know it's a bit late right now, but I literally just got back and I literally just got this. So I just wanted to unbox it right now and get it out of the way. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Zenkai buckle from Zenkaiger. Yes, it's another Zenkaiger thing, and I'm really enjoying this so far. So as you can see, it's a belt buckle, and it comes with the remaining core range of gears: Zenkai Gowon, Zenkai Majin, and Zenkai Varun. Got the scissors here, so let's get to work. Oh. Brilliant. So let's start off with the thing itself. Oh, it's just an extra piece of cardboard. It's literally in a great big bag. They really are extravagant. So here is the Zenkai buckle, and it's pretty cool. And there you go. That's how it opens. And as you can see, it looks a bit similar to the Kai buckle that I got with the Gearderlinger, except this is grey, this is red. And if I look here, we've got a belt strap, which is probably going to be useless. It's probably not going to fit me, just like the last one. So, and last, but by no means least, can I actually hold it with my fingers? See what they are. So we've got Zenkai Majin. We've got Zenkai Varun. And lastly, Zenkai Gowon. Now then, these are the remaining 3 Zenkaiger gears that we needed. Gowon is the Yellow Ranger, Majin is the Pink Ranger, and Varun is the Blue Ranger. And to show you what they're like, I've brought out the gear stringer. So let's try the Gowon gear first. Okay, so that's just Gowon. Okay, so that adds a little extra sound, just like with Jiran. Let's try the Kikai side. That's just going to be the same sounds again, with the difference in music. Now let's try Zenkai Majin. flip it over. And the last one, Zenkaiger. And the last flip of the day. Now then, let's bring all the gears together, the main 5. The Zenkai buckle. Now then, how do they go again? So I'm going to put them in the team formation. We got Zenkaiger at the front. Then Duran at the left. Just checking it was in. And Gowon is usually next to Duran, but I'm going to put him behind him. Then Margin at the right. And Vroon behind. So there you have it. That's all the gears in the buckle. And this just looks so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you all next time. See you everyone.